Hi everyone, so today I want to show you a really cool application we can use to help us keep speaking English and keep practicing English with family and friends, and it's a nice way to get everyone involved. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the app called Heads Up, okay? So you can find that in the Google Play Store or you can find it in the Apple App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, okay, and opened it up, very simple, is we're going to play a game called Act It Out today, okay? So once I hit play, I'm going to put this on my forehead, okay? And the people I'm playing with will need to act out what they see. So paper airplane, they'll need to act out a paper airplane. If you don't know what it is, you will just say pass, and I'll go up the way and pass, okay? Riding a seesaw. If, again, we know what it is and I get it correct, okay, we'll put our heads down. Shopping. Again, if we know what that is, correct. If we don't know what it is, wrapping a gift, I'll go up the way to pass. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a quick clip of Ellen DeGeneres playing this game with a lot of celebrities. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of what this game is all about.
Yeah. You're doing yoga.
Flamenco.
Yeah. Snow angel. Snow angel.
You're in it with Ben Stiller and the
Zoolander.
The other one.
Starsky and Hutch. Royal Tenenbaums.
It's not a gallery.
It's not a gallery.
You have fine objects in it, and you go there. And
Night at the Museum.
Yes.
You lost your money. You lost your wallet. You forgot your wallet. You left it at home, and you can't find your keys. You lost your keys.
Give that game a try. Hopefully you guys have some fun and keep learning your English.